Today we'll do an experiment and we'll explore to what extent robots can really help us in conducting learning activities in class. So the idea would be we'll apply a methodology that we have been implementing these years at Esade, which is called student first. This means it puts really the students at the center, and then we use a flipped learning methodology. Today we will explore to what extent robots can help us in the first stage, which is preparing students before coming to class. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can design and craft the learning path and the learning experience for each student in a way that will really maximize the input, the impact on them, but at the same time reducing the cost and effort that they can they need to invest in the process.
There are two main aspects to introduce our students. First, in the area of collaboration in teams in which robots are one more on the team, so hybrid teams. And on the other hand, what we think is that robotics can impact in all what is related to small groups. Robots can also be able to give some feedback to professors when they have been interacting with students, and we can improve our teaching experience.
So if we know where do they come from, what is the backgrounds, what expectations do they have, what interests do they have, where do they want to work in the future, and so on and so forth, we can really craft and develop a more customized experience for them when they come to class.